Hi everyone, today we will solve question number 2, 3 and 4 from exercise 1.1. First question, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. First question 26 and 91. Prime factorization of 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Prime factorization of 91 equal to 7 into 13. For finding HCF, we have to identify the common prime. Here the common prime is 13. Then select the lowest power of 13. 13 lowest power is 1. So the HCF is 13. For finding LCM, identify the all prime factors. Here the prime factors are 2, 7 and 13. Then select the highest power of 2, 7 and 13. Here the highest power of 2 is 1, highest power of 7 is 1 and highest power of 13 is 1. Then multiply to find the LCM. So the LCM of 26 and 91 is equal to 2 into 7 into 13, that is equal to 182. We have to verify LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. We have to find the product of HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to, here the HCF is 13 and LCM is 182. So 13 into 182 is equal to 2366. Product of the two numbers is equal to 26 into 91, that is equal to 2366. Hence, the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Next question 510 and 92. Prime factorization of 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Prime factorization of 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. That is equal to 2 into 2 is 2 square into 23. For finding HCF, we have to identify the common prime. Here the common prime is 2. Then select the lowest power. Here the lowest power of 2 is 1. So the HCF is 2. For finding LCM, we have to identify the prime. Here the primes are 2, 3, 5, 17 and 23. Then select the highest powers. Highest power of 2 is 2 square. Highest power of 3 is 1. Highest power of 5 is 1. Highest power of 17 is 1. Highest power of 23 is 1. Then multiply these selected primes. The LCM of 92 and 510 is equal to 23,460. Then we have to verify the result. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. LCM into HCF is equal to, here LCM is 23,460 into HCF is 2, which is equal to 46,920. Product of two numbers 92 and 150 is equal to 92 into 150, which is equal to 46,920. Hence LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Next question 336 and 54. Prime factorization of 336 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 into 7. Prime factorization of 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 2 into 3 cube. For finding HCF, we have to identify the common prime here. Here the common primes are 2 and 3. Then select the lowest power. Here the lowest power of 2 is 1 and the lowest power of 3 is 1. Then multiply the selected primes. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the HCF of 54 and 336 is equal to 6. For finding LCM, we have to identify the prime here. Here the primes are 2, 3 and 7. Then select the highest powers. Highest power of 2 is 4. Highest power of 3 is 3. And highest power of 7 is 1. Then multiply the selected prime to find the LCM, which is equal to 2 power 4 is 16 into 3 power 3 is 27 into 7 which is equal to 3024. So the LCM is 3024. Then we have to verify the result. LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. LCM into HCF is equal to, here the LCM is 3024 into HCF is 6, which is equal to 18,144. Product of two numbers is equal to 54 into 336, that is equal to 18,144. Hence LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Exercise 1.1 question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. The first question, 12, 15 and 21. Prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 square into 3. Prime factorization of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 21 is equal to 3 into 7. For finding the HCF of these three numbers, we have to identify the common prime in this. So the common prime is 3. Select the lowest power of 3. So the lowest power of 3 is 1. HCF is equal to 3. For finding LCM, we have to identify all the primes. Here the primes are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then select the highest powers. Highest power of 2 is 2, highest power of 3 is 1, highest power of 5 is 1, highest power of 7 is 1. So the LCM is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 4 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to 12 into 5 into 7, 60 into 7, that is equal to 420. Next question 17, 23 and 29. 17 is a prime number, so its prime factorization is 17. 23 is a prime number, so its prime factorization is 23. And 29 is a prime number, so its prime factorization is 29. We have to find the HCF of 17, 23 and 29. Since 17, 23 and 29 are all distinct prime numbers, they have no common prime factors, so the HCF is 1. LCM is the product of the highest powers of all prime factors present in the numbers. Since all the numbers are prime and distinct, the LCM is simply their product. So, LCM of 17, 23 and 29 is equal to 17 into 23 into 29. That is equal to 11,339. Third question 8, 9 and 25. Prime factorization of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 cube. Prime factorization of 9 is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 square. Prime factorization of 25 is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 square. There is no common prime, so the HCF is equal to 1. Find the LCM of the given numbers. We have to identify the primes. Here the primes are 2, 3 and 5. Then select the highest powers. Highest power of 2 is 3. Highest power of 3 is 2. Highest power of 5 is 2. Then multiply the selected prime to find the LCM. That is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Therefore, the LCM is equal to 1800. Fourth question, given that HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9, find LCM. We know the result LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. From this we can find LCM. LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF. So its product is 306 into 657 divided by HCF is 9, which is equal to 201,042 divided by 9. So the LCM is equal to 22,338. If you found this class helpful, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.